SoFi Money versus PayPal, transfer tango? Ever since online transactions became the norm, the struggle has been real, choosing the right platform for your money moves. We've all got our favorites. Some swear by the convenience of PayPal, while others love the high-yield savings of SoFi Money. But what happens when your financial life gets a little more complicated? Can you seamlessly transfer funds between these two financial giants? Buckle up, money managers, because today we're untangling the transfer tango between SoFi Money and PayPal. The lowdown on SoFi Money. Let's start with SoFi Money. It's more than just a checking account, it's a financial toolbox with checking and savings wrapped into one. SoFi Money boasts a high annual percentage yield, APY, on your savings, making it a haven for your financial nest egg. Plus, you get a sleek debit card for everyday purchases and free ATM withdrawals. The PayPal powerhouse. PayPal, on the other hand, is a digital payment juggernaut. It lets you send and receive money online with ease, making it perfect for online shopping or splitting bills with friends. Plus, it offers buyer and seller protection, adding a layer of security to your online transactions. The transfer question: can you move money between them? Here's the key you've been waiting for. Yes, you can transfer money between SoFi Money and PayPal. But there's a slight twist. It's not quite as straightforward as an instant bank transfer. Method 1. The linking loop. The first method involves linking your SoFi checking account to your PayPal account. This allows you to transfer funds directly from SoFi to PayPal for online purchases or sending money to others. Here's the catch: some users have reported issues with instant linking. Don't fret, though. You can still link your accounts manually using your SoFi routing and account numbers. PayPal will then make small deposits and withdrawals to verify your account, which usually takes a couple of days. Once verified, you're good to go for future transfers. Method 2. The debit card dash. Another option is to use your SoFi debit card to transfer money to PayPal. Here's how it works. Simply add your SoFi debit card as a payment source in your PayPal account. Then, when you make a purchase or transfer on PayPal, you can choose your SoFi debit card as the funding source. Keep in mind that PayPal might charge a fee for using a debit card, so be sure to check their rates before you go this route. The speed of money. How long do transfers take? The speed of your transfer depends on the method you choose. Linking your accounts and then transferring funds might take a few days due to the verification process. Using your SoFi debit card as a funding source within PayPal should be much faster, potentially even instant. Fees and fun. What to watch out for? While SoFi Money doesn't typically charge fees for transfers, PayPal might have its own fees depending on the transfer method and amount. Be sure to check their fee schedule before initiating a transfer to avoid any surprises. SoFi versus PayPal transfers, the final verdict. So, can you transfer money between SoFi Money and PayPal? Absolutely. While there's a slight hurdle with the initial account linking, both methods offer flexibility for managing your money across these two platforms. The choice ultimately boils down to your needs. Need instant transfers for online purchases? Use your SoFi debit card linked to PayPal. Be mindful of potential fees. Looking to move larger sums for future online transactions? Link your accounts manually for a more streamlined future transfer experience. Remember, the key is to choose the method that best suits your financial situation and transaction needs. With a little planning, you can keep your SoFi Money and PayPal accounts working together seamlessly. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.